friends, what's up? I am downtown Austin, as you can see in the background there. Got my bike with me. Woo. Yeah. So I'm just, it's 96 degrees outside, whatever that is in Celsius. It's very hot. That's probably close to 38, 39 Celsius, something like that. But today I just took a ride out to try out some new tire pressures. I just felt like my RS, and this is for you guys that have an RS, a BMW R1250 RS to be precise. What do you run your tire pressures at? I normally run mine like what it tells you to, which was 36 front, 42 back. And that allowed my tires to last like a really long time in between changes. And I've been running Michelin Road 6s for the most part. And today I took the advice of my friend Matt over at AF1 Racing. And he said, why don't you try taking it down a couple pounds at a time to find the sweet spot. And he recommended just trying 34, 38. And that's what I did today. And it felt a lot different. It felt a lot more connected to the road. Obviously it allows the tire to kind of squeeze out more or spread out more and give you a better patch on the ground. But I've heard other people with other pressures. What do you guys ride? Let me know in the comments below if you have an RS, what you set yours at and what you have felt, if you've experimented at all, if you've gone lower. I see online that some people even run that even a little lower than 38. So I don't know, let me know. But here's some sights around this area right now that I'm hanging out. It's a very nice park right downtown, right along the Colorado River behind me there. And I'll just show you a couple of things before I head out. So this whole area here is a huge grass area. Earlier in the day, I'm sure there was a lot of people here. Blankets and picnic baskets and all that stuff. And then there is the river right over there on the other side of that fence. And this is all downtown Austin, all around me. Whee! There's a family over there enjoying the shade of the trees. Closer view of the water. This is just a little pond or something right here, but that's the river right out there. Some people kayaking. Ann and Roy Butler hike and bike trail. So that goes that way for quite a distance. You can hike along here, ride your bike along the river here, and then it connects up through there and goes all the way around. You can head all the way out that way, all the way around onto the other side of the river, all the way around in a big loop. It's about, I think it's about 10 miles. I've done it a few times. It's pretty fun. Oh, he's loving life. Look at that guy. Nothing better than a park and a dog. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining. It's a little bit windy now. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, all that great stuff. Love it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Also, do let me know in the comments below your tire pressure settings for your bike. Even if it's not an RS, just it'd be nice to kind of hear what other people are doing for tire pressures and how it feels. That's it. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Later.